Hello and Namaste. Welcome to my channel Learn Nepalese Language. In this video, you will learn about personal pronouns in Nepalese language. Like in previous videos, I have written translated Nepalese word in Roman English so that you can easily pronounce them. Also, I have written the same in Devanagari script for advanced Nepalese language learners. Let us start. We all know that personal pronouns are those pronouns that are used in place of names or nouns when it is clear what they refer to. They are sub-classified under three types: first person, second person and third person, according to the point of view from which something is said or written. Okay? Here are the examples. I, we, you, she, he and they. Now, let's start from first person. I means mo in Nepali. M-A, mo. We means हामी in Nepali. H-A-A-M-I, हामी. You in Nepalese language is used in three different forms. In informal way, you can be used in two ways, that is ton, T-A, ton, and timi, T-I-M-I, timi. In formal and more courteous way of saying you in Nepalese language is tapai, T-A-P-A-A-I, tapai. Let us know more in detail. Ton is used for someone who is younger than you, like a younger siblings or for a close friends. Timi is used for someone who is more or less of same age, friends or acquaintances, etc. Tapai is used for seniors who we have to show respect, like parents, boss, or even the strangers. Okay, now let us learn plurals of you. Plural form of ton and timi is timiharu. Timiharu, T-I-M-I, timi, H-A-R-U, haru. For plural form of tapai, it's tapaiharu. T-A-P-A-I, tapai, H-A-R-U, haru. Third person personal pronouns are also used in three different ways in Nepalese language. In informal ways, he or she is either referred as u or uni, u, U-H-U, U-N-I, uni, uni, U-N-I, uni. In formal ways, he or she is referred as waha, U-H-A-A, Now let us learn plural form of u, uni and uha. The plural form of u and uni is uniharu. Uniharu, U-N-I, uni, H-A-R-U, haru. And uha is uhaharu, U-H-A-A, waha, H-A-R-U, haru. Okay? This much for today, guys. See you in next video. Keep on watching. Thank you and dhanyavad. Hello and namaste.